is what it looks like, y'all. Y'all can see. It's marked side. You can get it at Walmart. And I like to take what is already in there. And I think when I was in the rain, my phone had got, ooh, I spilled something already. I was not trying to spill. It got a little wet, so I'm gonna have to sit it in some rice. Because I want it to have some type of charge. So I'm gonna have to sit it in rice. So I'm just pouring the soup in. And then, like, I do add my own extra seasonings and stuff with this soup. And then also with this soup, I take it up a notch with ramen noodles. I take it up a notch with ramen. I use this pack. Since it already got noodles in it, I take it up a notch. Because it makes the soup a lot more flavorful and interesting more. You guys get one for yourself. Right now I got still a little on that's keeping the little man occupied. So yeah, some good soup though, I can tell you that much. Because I'm gonna eat on the day, and then later on, yeah, later on I'm gonna have some pizza. That's the plan. So I'm gonna have my soup on. And a little extra chicken flavor to it. So yeah, probably like, it's already got all that, but this is how I like my food. This is how I like my food, y'all. Black people season their food, so mind your business. Basically. So I'm just seasoning my food. That makes the soup buzz. I put onion powder in it. A little bit of spice. And some garlic powder soup. Not soup, garlic powder, vegetable. I mean seasoning. Yep. That black pepper. Got to. That's the soup. I'm gonna let it do what it do because I'm craving it. Want it. So this one looks like, and I'm gonna charge my camera too. Once everything is in, like it got its own noodles. And then it got its own stuff, and then the stuff that I added. So, and then I added chicken broth to it too, as well. So, yeah, add some chicken broth to it. I hear you, Noob. So that's what we got popping right now. He done had his bottle. I'm about to sit my phone in some rice. Because apparently I got it all wet. And I think I gotta get me some rice too. And I go to the grocery store. So I'm at the, so whoever contacted me, they're gonna have to wait. I got brown rice. So I'm gonna put that in there. So I got this burnt rice. They say you gotta sit it in rice. phone and some rice. I mean, it works good. It's just it need to die out. But yes, however they wanted to do it. We'll need a bigger bowl. Yeah, I need a bigger bowl. So ready for this soup, y'all. This is so tacky and get out. Okay, we'll pour this in here. They say it's gonna take a couple of hours to do what it do. So I'm gonna put my phone and rice. Cover it up. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got my phone and rice, and I'm gonna bring my computer. This is so ghetto. Bring my computer and stuff in here, but in the meantime, I'm gonna bring my computer in here. I'm gonna have my phone near me. I'll show y'all noodles. Ding! Ding ding! Yeah! Hey man! So, he occupied, he doing good, so I'm gonna work on some content, and then while my food get done. Yep, that's what we're gonna be doing. Katuri is his favorite cartoons. He loved watching them at my mom's house. Birthday. What you get?
I'm getting some noodles, chicken, steak, and broccoli.
Okay, okay.
Angelica. Angelica.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Little man is still taking his nap from church. It's been about 2 hours. And I have to... Okay, if you were a mom before, like me, like a new mom, did you guys check your babies periodically, like when they're sleeping? Because I'm like, oh God, I hope he's okay. Like, he's been asleep, which I don't mind. I don't mind it at all. But I just wanted to make sure he's good because he's been sleeping. Because he was at grandparents last night because my cousin's birthday dinner was last night. Jelly, and you guys know Jelly, she the one that goes on the cruises with me and everything. But yeah, we went to Cabuto's in Charlotte. It's so good. It was a little experience though. The waiter, she had mixed up our orders, and I'm like, girl, don't be mixing nobody food and orders and stuff. And oh, by the way, I am making the you know what, the spaghetti and garlic bread pasta. You can't go wrong with it. Question the other day, do pasta, like any marinara pasta, do you put spaghetti, noodles, question of the day, do you put sugar? I put sugar. That's why my bag stays big. I put sugar in it. I grew up with it, and it's been with me ever since. So I'm tasting it. Perfect flavor combination too. I use, if you guys wonder what kind of sauce I use for my spaghetti, I don't know if this is an NC thing, but the ragu tomato, garlic, and onion paste sauce. Yes, I cannot believe fall is approaching. Like, it feels so good outside. It's like, I think it's 81 today. Yeah, I think it's 81 degrees today. But y'all, it feels so good. Like, it's a little breezy. It's just the perfect combination of fall. So I was like, do I take out my fall decor just yet? Like, how sudden do y'all take out fall decor when y'all feel that little breeze? Or do you wait? Because my mom, she be so ready. Like, no matter what holiday it is, my mom be like ready for Christmas back in April. I'm like, can we get through certain holidays? It ain't even Labor Day yet, and you already ready talking about what you want for Christmas. Like, what, as far as decorations wise, you want to put up for Christmas. I guess I'm that type of person. Like, I wait, not wait too late, but wait when it get close to time. But mom always says, if you wait too late, your goodies are going to be gone. As far as whatever they have out is already going to be gone. So I said that I did wanted to do, oh, keep my light on. I said I did wanted to do royal blue, purple, and green for Christmas. But we'll see. I'm gonna look at some decorations and stuff. But we'll see, y'all. But now I'm just gonna, as my food cook, little man's still knocked out. Like he been asleep for 40 days and 40 nights. I'm gonna be over here just relaxing, catching up on my book that I've been reading. I've been loving werewolf books lately. Like, how do you guys like scroll on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, and you come up with these little stories that they get you, and then you get halfway through it and you need to know what happens next, and then they want you to pay. I don't pay for them stories, but I'm like, why do they always clickbait us like that? That is, they need to do better. But anyways, I'm gonna be sitting here chilling until he gets up, and then I will chat with you guys soon.